In this video, I'll walk you through changing your Apple ID in this video without erasing any data from your iPhone. If you think this tutorial is useful, please think about liking and subscribing. Now, let's dive right into this video, and don't worry if you want to change the Apple ID on your phone but you are worried about losing all the data that your own device in iCloud. I'll guide you guys through all the necessary information. Now, first, we're gonna have to launch settings. So let's launch settings, and then let's click on your Apple ID here. After you click on the Apple ID, what you're gonna have to do is to click on sync out here on Apple ID. Click on sync out. Now here it's gonna ask you to enter your password. So enter your password here. Just make sure you enter your password. And then, here, if you enable on your iCloud to make a copy, to not to update, to save your images and other stuff on your iPhone, here you can see an option to create to keep a copy of your contacts, health, keychain, Safari, or images. As I said, depends on if you have your images turned on. If you have, you should see that here as well. I'm going to show you where you have to go to do that, to have that option as well. Now, what you're going to have to do here is just to click on iCloud. So just click on iCloud. And now what you're going to have to do is just to, for instance, photos, you can enable, and then other here, you can, as you can see, it's turn off, you can turn